Hey, what's up guys and gals? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, thanks for joining. Today we're looking at a Transition Patrol. This procedure will apply to many different bikes that have, this sort of link. Why I'm doing this video is I found a really easy way to change this link out. There's probably many ways to change the link out, but I think I found the most dialed in way to do this. Oh! I'll show you why I'm replacing this. I ended up with like a little tiny crack here, kind of around that center pivot. It's actually a little worse on this side here, if you can see that. There's kind of multiple cracks going on there. Transition, they sent out the aluminum link for this in like 3 days. Let's get into how I did this. Throw the bike upside down just like this. I basically just started with this bolt here is an 8mm. Go ahead and loosen up that guy. If you have a friend or something, just kind of like lift up on it a little bit. You don't want like a bunch of stress on those final threads. You don't have to worry about that on the first bolt, but when you get to the other side, back here there's 2 washers on either side of that inner race on the bearing. Just make sure those go back in the same place. Once you have this portion loosened up, you want to go ahead and put something protective here and just drop this portion down onto the frame. These 2 bolts on the shock are the next bolts to go. Once you have that removed, you just kind of like tilt this shock to the side a little bit, then remove these bolts, and then you pull the rocker assembly out of there. No problem. I'm gonna leave you guys with the torque specs for the 2020 Patrol. Basically anything on the bike, I torque to spec. I mean, why not? I think it's well worth it. You can be then confident. You can go into a bike park and know that your bike's not gonna blow up because you over tighten a bolt or under tighten this or that. Put the new rocker in there. Start with the center bolt there, 10 Newton meter. I know it seems weird, it's a bigger bolt, but it's 10 Newton meter. So, some people might over torque this guy, and that'd be a bad deal. Then you move to this guy, 12 Newton meter. So we just go here, give that a little bump. And then the last one is 19 Newton meter, and that's also using the 8mm hex. Hope that dials you in, guys. Keeps you confident on the trail. Thanks for staying dialed in.